Hi guys, in this series of HTML5 for Absolute Beginner, we're going to discuss about sections and articles in HTML5. Please take note, the installation of HTML Preview won't be discussed in this topic, so please watch the first video of this series. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. To start with, this is the last template that we created last time. So now, what we need to do with this section is we need to focus on this section here. So that's a bit. Okay. In this section, we can declare multiple article with multiple section. Now, for us to understand more, we need to simplify this one. So let's say instead of we assign this section inside the article, we're going to assign article inside section. Okay. Okay, good. So what's the concept behind this? To understand, if you imagine if you're reading a newspaper or simply an article, each side of a article has a different information. We can call that sections of article. So in HTML5, we can do that as well. To begin with, in article, we can still create a simple or a structure of header. And we can consider as the body, but since we are now already inside the body, we can assign a paragraph. And also, you can also consider to insert also a footer. Okay, so let's say in our header, I'm going to insert an H1. Let's say title. Let's say going to put this one as title of article. Article 1. Or simply article. So in here, in the paragraph section, you can say that this is my first article in this section. Okay. So let's move this a little higher. So in the footer, let's say we can put as written by Mr. Article. Oops. Article. Okay. So in this section here, take note, we can also do in this manner. Also inside the article, we can also create a section. So we can also assign that, let's say within here. We can also assign that section. So in creating a HTML5 template, make sure that you have a stylish for this one. So very important to identify to each section. So since this is our example, to avoid confuse, we'll be focusing only on this particular section only. So this section. Also, per section, you can also create multiple article. You simply copy this one here and paste that here. So this time we have to avoid confused, you're going to put this article 1 and this is article 2 and this is my second article by Mr. Article. Okay, so as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff in this section here. Let's say if you want to have a subheading, we can also do that. So let's say you can put that as HTML2. This is my sub article 1. And also here, you can also refer as sub article 2. Okay. Please take note, since these are related or these are common tags, you can group this as well. So we can group this as H group. Okay. So for this one, so that HTML5 won't be confused, you can assign this as a group. Okay, so let's also set H group here. H group. That's it. Okay, so this is how we set up our article in a section or a section in an article. So since we're still working on this part, we need to understand first on how you're going to rearrange or redesign your HTML format. Okay, let's preview this. Shift Control V. Okay, there you go. So don't you worry, when we reach on the part of the CSS, these things here will be much beautiful on a later part. So wait till we get there. So for now, if you like this video, please like and share, and see you guys on the next video series. Cheers!